Hi, today I'll be sharing with you a simple template for performing any prometric CNA skills. So at this point, I'm going to share my screen. The template comprises of three basic components: introduction, body, and conclusion. At some point in our life, we have either written or read essays or both. So you will equally agree that an essay is comprised of these three components as well. So we are going to translate this information and apply it into any prometric skill. The first component of this template is introduction. So what do we expect to find in introduction? Greet the resident by last name. Introduce yourself, last name, and your job title. Check the resident's ID for confirmation. Inform the resident of the skills, task to be performed with permission. Check lock wheels for safety. This could either be the bed or wheelchair. Provide privacy by pulling the curtains. Make sure that the call bell or call light is within reach. Let the resident know that you want to wash your hand and get your supplies. The next component of this template is body. What do we expect to find in the body? First, you have to know your supplies or your materials. You equally want to know when and how to use each of the supplies. Lastly, you have to know the procedure for getting the skills done. Our last component of our template is conclusion. This is summarized using 4 C's. So what do we expect to find in conclusion? Comfort. Ask the resident if they are comfortable. Curtain. Undo the privacy curtain. Call bell or call light. Leave the call bell within the resident's reach. Clean up. Clean up supplies, store away equipment, and wash your hand. So let's wrap up by putting all together. Good day, Mr. Jones. My names are Joseph Oyebotsa, your CNA for today. Please, can I see your ID? Thank you, Mr. Jones. I will be assisting you with ambulation. Is that all right? Let me make sure that your wheels are locked for safety. And I'm pulling the curtains for privacy. Mr. Jones, your call light is within reach. I'm going to wash my hand, gather my supplies, and I'll be right back. Then you have to proceed and get your supplies. So gather all relevant supplies, know when and how to use them, and perform the skill according to the prometric standard. When the skill is done, you have to ask Mr. Jones, are you comfortable? Leave the call light within his reach. Undo the privacy curtain. Clean up and wash your hand. Don't be too quick to say my task is complete. Before saying that, you have to take a quick look at your surroundings to see if you missed any step or you forgot any supplies. If the answer is yes, take care of it, go back, wash your hands. Now you can say my task is complete. In our next video, we're putting this template to use by performing a skill on a resident. Thank you for watching. Watch out for our next video.